What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be working on the headlights and getting them cleaned up and restored on the Honda Prelude project. We're going to be getting them cleaned up. They're a little hazy. If you guys probably seen some of the previous videos, I'll leave some cards maybe up top or maybe some links down in the description below. But we're going to be working and getting those headlights cleaned up. They're kind of dingy looking. We're going to be cleaning them up for now, and we're in the process of looking and doing some shopping around, really purchasing some new headlights. But for right now, for the visibility and stuff, like especially at nighttime, it's kind of hard to see. So we lost a lot of reflection over time, and just kind of just really dinginess of those headlights. And we all know those plastic headlights, they get yellow, stained, and dirty just over time. So today we're going to be going and washing the car and restoring those dingy old headlights. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so this is what we picked up. We picked up the Meguiar's two-step headlight restoration kit. Before and after, some of these kits work, some of these kits do not. We're going to try this coat. I picked this kit up for probably about 18 bucks at Walmart. They sell them at auto parts stores and everything else, but I wanted to go ahead and try this out. I'm a big fan of Meguiar's products. I like their stuff. What do you get in this kit? It comes with the headlight coating spray for when you get done, make them clear again, and the cleaning solution, and you get 2 of these little sanding scuffing discs. So when you get done putting your cleaning solution on and the headlight coating, you should be good to go. So you want to scuff them up, make sure they're clean, and get the cleaning solution. So let's go ahead and get started on the headlights. Alright guys, so this is what they're going to look like before and after. Here, as you can see over here before, real hazy looking, real still yellowish. And we go over here, and it's going to look kind of hazy, and that's from the scuffing. But once we apply the clear, it should be a little bit better and more clean, more of a clear look to it once we spray on the headlight protector. Again, this is what they look like before. Real yellowish. You may be hard to see, but it is real yellowish right in here. Some staining in there from like some bug spots, but once we start scuffing it down, a lot of that should come out. So we're gonna get ready to start doing this one, and we'll start applying the clear and show you guys the final product of this. See me doing is I'm running through with a little scuffing pad here, just running through with a cleaner and just kind of scuffing it on. Now if I had on a drill with a wet sand, if I was wet sanding this, you would want to go one direction, side to side or up and down. Preferably it's always better to go side to side. You want to tape off or mask off your surrounding area, especially if you're wet sanding. You don't want to damage your paint. I'm trying not to get close to this, so working the best I can with what I got on doing this at home. Usually I'm doing this at the shop with power tools and air tools, but to show you guys the cheap little kits that you can get and to show you the final result and product and how well they work. And you guys will see the final product. So let's get this finished up, and I'm going to go ahead and spray the clear. We got one coat of clear installed here, looking a lot better compared to what it was with just one coat. Same thing with over here. With just one coat, you guys can see it's already starting to look a lot better. Of course, it might take a couple coats of clear and several coats of cleaning it. I believe I did this one probably about 3 times and the other one probably about 4 times of cleaning and wiping and cleaning and wiping. But we're going to put some more clear on here and show you guys the final product. So this is the final result that I know you guys have all been waiting for. Here it is after several coats of clear. You guys can see it looks a lot better. Not quite brand new, but I think this is going to be a lot better visibility for the headlights, and kind of save a little bit of money. For 20 bucks, this kit is not bad. I think it did a pretty decent job. These headlights weren't too bad. They weren't too far gone. They weren't, you know, heat fractured or had those little cracks and stuff in them. So I think I was able to save them. So that definitely helped. So the other side, same thing. They definitely did an awesome job. That little kit did an awesome job at cleaning these lights up. So for 20 bucks, I think it kind of helped. I'm usually used to using 3M kits. This was one I tried out and seen. For 20 bucks, I think it did a really great job. So definitely, guys, if you see it, the Meguiar's 2-step kit, I think it's really great for what it is, for doing stuff at home. And if you don't have a whole lot of power tools, I think it did a really great job. So we're still working on the Honda project, guys. As you can see, the Prelude project is coming along. One thing at a time, a little bit here and there, little stuff. There's a lot of stuff that's got to get done, but just kind of wanted to share that with you guys. All right, guys, so that ends it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot. Hopefully so. Maybe you guys can subscribe down below, hit that notification bell so you guys can stay up to date on all the new fresh content that comes out of my channel, and to stay up to date if you guys want to keep up to date on the Prelude project that we're working on and the build series and getting things done on it. One thing at a time, little steps here and there. So I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. This is definitely something for you guys to check out as far as that Meguiar's kit. I would definitely recommend it. I think it came out pretty good. How long it's going to last, I'm not sure. It says up to a year on the Restore, but you know, we will see how well it works and how much more visibility we can get out of it. Hopefully it'll work, but I think for 20 bucks, I think it's definitely a score. Again, guys, you can pick it up at Walmart, your parts stores, stuff like that. It was actually a little bit cheaper at Walmart compared to some of the parts stores, several dollars cheaper. So again, I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this one. Again, make sure you guys subscribe down below, hit that notification bell, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Till next time, guys, we will see you in the next one. Keep on wrenching.